your girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I am continuing the tradition in February to start each video off with a quote from an African American to remind you that Black history is American history. So today's quote says, "The most common way people give up their power is by thinking that they don't have any." And that's from Alice Walker, Pulitzer Prize awarded novelist, social activist, and poet. So today I am going to show you how to make a hot cereal that's a little unusual. So it's not your oatmeal, cream of wheat, or grits. It's actually Bulgur Wheat Porridge. And the first time I had this is when I was staying with my Jamaican grandmother. And so this is kind of inspired by Bulgur Wheat Porridge. What I like about this recipe is that you can dress it up any way that you like. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is take 2 cups of water and add it to your pot, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and leave that to boil. While my water's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my 1 cup of bulgur wheat and then add it back to the pot with the boiling water. Here's a pro tip I wish that I had done. Go ahead and turn it to medium-low and cook for about 20 minutes, or you can just do what I'm doing, but you don't want it to quite cook like rice, and you don't want it to be too wet either. So just follow along and see how I pivoted and saved this recipe. You can totally do it like this. If you're gonna follow my instructions, you need to add it to a blender or to a Vitamix, and you want a coconut plant-based creamer, specifically coconut. It gives it more of the like island flavor I remember growing up with, and you're gonna blend until everything is smooth. I hope you didn't get rid of that pot, because you'll need to add your mixture back to it, because now we're going to season. So I am gonna go in with what I guesstimate is about a 1/4 teaspoon of some cinnamon. I don't have powdered nutmeg, so I am just going to grate some fresh nutmeg. And if you're gonna grate, I'd say 1/8 of a teaspoon. Powdered, I'd say a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix, mix, mix. Sweeten now. I'm using a 1/3 cup of some organic brown sugar. You sweeten to taste and do what you like. Then I just serve it up with some sliced fruit, granola, and some shredded or some sliced almonds, I should say. It was so poppin', but I wanna know what you think in the comments below.